This demo illustrates the features of RSTOR's RocketFS and its file locking capabilities. The tool is used to mount an S3 bucket to a local folder and allows it to access its content via a POSIX file system. We will now explore the basic use of the tool. In this example, we are using two different data centers, Denver and Washington. The client in Washington mounts an S3 bucket in the local bucket directory, while another client in Denver does the same. In addition, we will export to the local folder using both Samba and NFS servers. In this portion of the demo, files are created and manipulated in one region, and the changes are reflected in the other region, including content and permissions. The same test is now repeated using RocketFS on one side and a Samba client on the other. We browse the S3 bucket through Mac OS Finder and mount it as a volume with Windows Explorer. The user can interact with the bucket through the graphical user interface, and changes are reflected in all locations. Here, we are going to perform the very same test using RocketFS and NFS. For this test, we will show the interoperability between RocketFS and a third-party S3 client. On the screen, you can see that a file is copied and some files are deleted. On this test, we will show the consistency of RocketFS during concurrent reads and writes from different clients. On the left side of the screen, the client is changing the content of the file, while the other side shows the client repeatedly and concurrently computing the correct MD5 sum of the same file. Rocket S3 and RocketFS guarantee that the client will always read the file consistently. Finally, we will show how RocketFS works with S3 object locks. The left terminal shows a file being created and locked with a legal hold lock. Any attempt to delete the file on the right terminal is not successful until the lock is removed.